So if you're like me, when I bought my van, I found this lock on the barn doors with an extra piece of security, but unfortunately I couldn't find the key to get in. Typically, a lot of people, what they do is they'll go and replace this lock, and that'll cost you between £100 to £200 if you get a proper one from the manufacturer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save that money and where to find the key. So this is the type of key you're looking for. Typically, this will be the key for the lock that's on the back doors. It might vary depending on the lock you've got, but this is what they typically look like. So this is a closer look at the lock and the key with it. So essentially that goes in there, it just pushes a bolt across into this bit, stops your back doors being open. So if someone's trying to break in, or if your locking system does fail, it's just the extra layer of security. So all the commercial vans have these on, especially British Gas, and sometimes have it on the sliding doors as well. And it is a barrel lock, so that simply goes in, pushes that bolt across there, and it'll lock into place, and then it stops it from being open. So when I got my first British Gas van, I didn't know about this simple trick, so I contacted the company like anyone would do and thought, oh, how can I get a new key for that lock? They obviously said they could send out a new lock and a key, and obviously that would cost money. I think it was around about £100 to £200. So I didn't know what to do, but then I found out this little trick, and I found out where this key was for that lock. So typically there will be a spare key, and this is where it is. Funny enough, it's in the bonnet. So once you pop the bonnet, you want to get into engine bay. The spare key is found in the fuse box, just behind the battery isolator. So you want to pop that off, and the spare key is directly in there. So take the lid off the battery isolator, and there you've got your fuse box and bonnet, and here is the spare key. So there you go. If the spare key isn't in there, unfortunately, someone's already taken it out, and you will have to get a new key made.